This video is going to blow your mind. Are you ready? The power of visualization cannot be overstated when it comes to achieving your goals, especially when you're aiming to secure a job within a tight time frame like 48 hours. Visualization is not just daydreaming, it is a deliberate, focused mental practice that aligns your inner beliefs and emotions with your desired outcome. This alignment creates a magnetic force that draws opportunities, people, and circumstances into your life, making what seemed impossible, possible. To start, think of the job you want as if it already belongs to you. The key to effective visualization is to immerse yourself in the reality you wish to create. You don't just think about it, you feel it, live it in your mind, and make it as real as possible within your imagination. Let's say you're aiming for a position at a specific company. In your visualization, you're not just picturing the company logo or the job title, you're seeing yourself walking into the office, greeting your colleagues, and sitting at your desk. You hear the sounds around you, whether it's the hum of office chatter, the clicking of keyboards, or the sound of your boss praising your work. The more sensory details you include, the more powerful your visualization becomes. It's essential to perform this visualization exercise at specific times of the day, ideally when you wake up and just before you go to sleep. These are the moments when your mind is most receptive, and your subconscious is more likely to absorb and act on the images you're creating. During these times, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and let go of any tension or distractions. Then, begin to paint the picture of your new reality. See yourself in the job, feel the emotions that come with it, whether it's excitement, pride, or relief. Hold on to these feelings, as they are the emotional fuel that powers your manifestation. As you visualize, it's important to include affirmations that reinforce your desired outcome. Affirmations are positive, present-tense statements that declare your intention as already fulfilled. For example, you might say, "I am so grateful to be working at company name, doing work that I love, and being valued by my team." The language is crucial here. Notice that it's stated in the present tense, as if it's happening right now. This sends a clear signal to your subconscious that this is your reality. While visualization and affirmations are powerful tools, they work best when combined with inspired action. This means taking steps in the physical world that align with your visualized outcome. If you're visualizing getting hired within 48 hours, you might start by updating your resume, reaching out to contacts in your network, or applying for jobs that truly excite you. The key is to take actions that feel natural and aligned with your vision, rather than forced or out of desperation. When your actions match your inner beliefs, you create a harmonious flow that accelerates your manifestation process. Another critical aspect of this process is your belief system. You must believe, without a doubt, that what you are visualizing is not only possible but inevitable. Doubt is one of the biggest barriers to manifestation. If you find yourself doubting, it's important to address those doubts directly. Ask yourself, why do you believe it's not possible? Often, these doubts stem from past experiences or limiting beliefs that no longer serve you. Recognize them for what they are, old patterns of thinking, and then consciously choose to release them. Replace them with empowering beliefs that support your vision. In addition to belief, it's important to cultivate a state of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that raises your vibration and aligns you with the energy of abundance. Even before the job materializes, start feeling grateful for it as if it's already yours. Gratitude is not just about saying thank you, it's about feeling the deep appreciation and joy that comes with knowing your desires are being fulfilled. This energy of gratitude will attract more reasons to be grateful, creating a positive feedback loop that brings your desires to fruition even faster. It's also helpful to use creative visualization techniques, such as scripting or creating a vision board. Scripting involves writing out a day in your life as if you're already living your desired reality. Describe in detail how your day unfolds, from waking up in the morning to going to bed at night, including all the experiences you wish to manifest. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals, using images and words that capture the essence of what you want to create. Both of these tools serve to reinforce your visualization practice, making your desired outcome feel more real and tangible. When you combine visualization with positive belief, inspired action, and gratitude, you create a powerful formula for manifesting your desires quickly. The key is consistency. Practice visualization daily, stay committed to your vision, and trust in the process. There may be moments of doubt or frustration, but remember that these are natural parts of the journey. The important thing is to keep your focus on the end result, knowing that it is already on its way to you. As you get deeper into the practice of visualization, it's important to recognize the subtle yet powerful role that mental rehearsal plays in shaping your reality. Mental rehearsal is the act of repeatedly playing out a desired scenario in your mind, refining and perfecting it with each iteration. This is not just a passive activity but an active engagement with your imagination, where you continuously adjust and enhance the details to make the experience feel as real as possible. When you mentally rehearse the process of getting hired, you're not only visualizing the end result but also the steps that lead up to it. For instance, you might picture yourself confidently walking into an interview room, shaking hands with the interviewer, and answering questions with clarity and poise. You might assume the moment you receive a job offer, feel the excitement in your chest, and see yourself signing the contract. Each time you rehearse this scenario, you're strengthening the neural pathways associated with these actions, making them feel more natural and automatic. This practice of mental rehearsal has been used by top performers across various fields, athletes, musicians, public speakers, and more, to enhance their skills and improve their outcomes. The same principles apply to the job search process. By mentally rehearsing your success, you're preparing yourself to act with confidence and competence when the opportunity arises. You're essentially training your mind and body to respond as if the desired outcome is already a given. Another crucial aspect of this process is the cultivation of a success mindset. A success mindset is one that is inherently optimistic, resilient, and solution-oriented. It's about seeing challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles that hold you back. When you approach your job search with a success mindset, you're more likely to take proactive steps, seek out new opportunities, and persist in the face of setbacks. To cultivate a success mindset, start by reframing any negative thoughts or limiting beliefs you might have about your ability to find a job quickly. Instead of thinking, "It's too difficult to get hired in this economy," replace that with, "I am fully capable of finding the right job, and the perfect opportunity is already on its way to me." This shift in perspective empowers you to take charge of your circumstances rather than feeling like a victim of external conditions. In addition to reframing your thoughts, it's important to surround yourself with positive influences that reinforce your success mindset. This might include reading books or listening to podcasts that inspire and motivate you, spending time with people who support and uplift you, or engaging in activities that boost your confidence and well-being. The more you immerse yourself in an environment that fosters success, the easier it becomes to maintain a positive and proactive attitude. One powerful technique to further enhance your visualization practice is to incorporate the element of emotion. Emotion is the fuel that drives manifestation. When you visualize your desired outcome, it's not enough to simply see it in your mind's eye. You must also feel the emotions associated with it. Whether it's joy, pride, relief, or excitement, these feelings amplify the energy you're sending out into the universe, making your visualization more potent and effective. As you practice these techniques, you'll start to notice subtle shifts in your reality. Opportunities may arise unexpectedly, people may reach out with offers of help, or you may find yourself in the right place at the right time. These are signs that your manifestation is unfolding. Stay open to these opportunities, and be ready to act on them when they appear. The universe has a way of arranging circumstances in your favor when you are clear and focused on your desires. In conclusion, visualization is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals, including getting hired within 48 hours. By immersing yourself in the reality you wish to create, aligning your beliefs and actions with your vision, and maintaining a state of gratitude, you can manifest your desires quickly and effectively. The process may take time and effort, but with consistent practice and unwavering faith, you will see results. If you found these insights helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and techniques on manifestation and personal growth. Share this video with others who may benefit, and stay tuned for more content that will help you create the life of your dreams.